Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the exact secret to catch the crystal salamander in Fishits. So the crystal salamander is a must-have for any serious Fishit player, and here I'm going to show you the spots to get this one. So for the location, you can get it from the Underground Cellar inside the ancient jungle. This one. This is the location where I got this this crystal salamander. So you need to just finish this to find the fishing spot. You can just go through this. And for the road, I use the Gosfin roads with a coral bait to get the crystal salamander. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.